We're starting by adding 6 cups of cornflakes right into our dish. And right away, we're gonna come right over here and we're going to add a half a cup of peanut butter right into our saucepan. Wow, I absolutely love peanut butter. We will follow it up with a pound of butterscotch morsels, and we are going to take it up one more notch with these caramel bites. Have you guys seen these yet? Look, they're little pieces, just like so, and they're over by the baking section. And then that way, you don't have to unwrap all of those wrappers. What a gift that is, isn't it? Okay, so we got the caramel in there, the peanut butter in there, and the butterscotch. Now, once again, this caramel will just start to melt really quickly, so just fold that in with all of the chocolate and the peanut butter. We can see everything is melting together and we are good to go. So we'll come right over here and we're just gonna pour this all on top, right on top of those cornflakes. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We are gonna douse these in the peanut butter, the butterscotch, and that caramel. Let's get all of that out there. Oh, that looks so tasty. I know that it's gonna be a delicious, delicious treat when we mix it all together. Oh yeah, I can't wait. Of course, we wanna fold this in, give it a stir, mix all of those crispy treats in with that delicious mix. We are on a roll, you guys. I hope you love this easy treat. It is so good. I am so glad that I discovered those little caramel balls, and oh, they're so good with the peanut butter and the butterscotch. We got it all mixed up. So now I'm just taking my handy dandy potato smasher here, and I'm just pushing it all down. So some of those cornflakes are gonna crunch, they might break, but that's okay. It's just gonna stick it all together, just allowing that the butterscotch chips and that caramel and peanut butter to just adhere and almost make like a crispy treat, except we're not using marshmallows and they're gonna be off the wall delicious. So that's it, we are good to go. 4 ingredients here. I'm gonna set it to the side so it hardens up. And yeah, stick around because I'm gonna slice into one of these and these little squares are delicious. Okay, we are ready to give these a try, and I don't know what is better besides some peanut butter, some butterscotch, and also that caramel. So I'm gonna get right in here where I see I have a lot of that butterscotch and that caramel. Oh my gosh, I just want a big, huge piece right here, because David, I'll probably share some with you, so don't worry, right? So let's just cut ourselves a nice big square. Oh my gosh, we'll get that right out of there, perfect. Look at that, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, here we go. Wow. I love the crunchiness from the cornflakes. The butterscotch was great with the caramel and with the peanut butter. These are a home run. Wow. Must try, no bake cookies, amazing. What did we use? 4 ingredients, that's it. Oh my gosh, you guys, anybody can make this easy treat. I hope you guys love it. Let me know if there's anything that you would do different, and we'll see you guys later. Enjoy.